Ladies and gentlemen, there comes a time in history when a name is not just a name. It becomes a symbol of courage, of resilience, of standing tall when the storms are raging. Today we speak of that symbol, Imran Khan. We never give up. Those words are not just a slogan, they are a declaration. A declaration that no matter how dark the night, the dawn will rise. No matter how heavy the chains, freedom is always near. See, giving up is easy. Anyone can quit, okay? Anyone can walk away when the road gets tough. But true greatness, true leadership, is carved in fire. It is born in struggle. It is proven when the world counts you out, but you rise up and say, not today, not ever. This is more than politics. This is about vision. It's about standing for what you believe in. About refusing to bow down when injustice knocks at your door. History does not remember the quitters. History remembers the ones who stood firm. And my friends, as long as these words echo Imran Khan, we never give up. Then hope is alive, courage is alive, and the dream is alive. So let us rise, let us stand, let us hold our heads high. Because we are not quitters, we are fighters. No matter what they throw at us, we will look back one day and say, we endured. We stood strong, we never gave up. Thank you. A name can become more than just a word we speak. Okay. It can grow into a symbol, carrying the weight of courage and the strength of resilience. A name can remind us of battles fought, struggles endured, and victories claimed against all odds. It can ignite hope in the hearts of the weary and give power to those who feel powerless. A name can stand as a torch in the darkness, guiding generations toward faith and determination. When a name becomes a symbol, it stops belonging to one person and begins to belong to everyone it inspires. Never give up is more than just a slogan. It is a declaration of strength, a promise made in the heart when the world says stop. It is the voice that whispers in silence, telling you to rise when you've been knocked down. It carries the weight of perseverance, reminding us that failure is not the end, but a step toward victory. It is the fire that keeps burning when the night feels too long. Never give up is not simply words. It is the unshakable spirit that defines those who refuse to be broken. Greatness is proven in times of struggle, not in comfort. It is easy to shine when the path is smooth and the skies are clear. But true greatness is revealed when the storm rages, when the walls close in, and when hope seems far away. It is born in the fire of trials, in the moments when giving up feels easier than holding on. Comfort may keep you safe, but struggle makes you strong. It is in the pressure, the pain, and the persistence that real greatness takes form and leaves its mark on the world. True leaders are forged in fire and trials. They're not shaped in moments of ease, but in the crucible of hardship. When the weight of responsibility presses down, and when the path ahead is filled with obstacles, a leader's true character emerges. It is in the long nights of sacrifice, in the silence of doubt, and in the roar of opposition that leaders are born. Every scar becomes a lesson. Every fall becomes a step forward. True leaders rise not because the road was smooth, but because they endured the storms and refused to be broken. Quitting is easy, but endurance builds history. Anyone can walk away when the challenges grow heavy, when the road feels endless, and when the heart grows tired. But those who choose to endure carve their names into the story of time. History remembers the ones who pressed on, even when the world doubted them. It remembers the footsteps taken in pain, the battles fought with weary hands, and the victories earned through sacrifice. Quitting leaves silence behind. Endurance leaves a legacy. And it is through endurance that ordinary lives become extraordinary tales for generations to follow. You don't need permission or approval to change your life. The power to transform belongs to you and you alone. If you wait for others to agree, you will stay stuck in the same place. If you wait for someone to validate your dream, you will never begin. Change starts the moment you decide that your future matters more than opinions. Your life is your responsibility, not anyone else's. The world may doubt you, but your belief must be stronger. You already hold the authority to grow, to rise, and to rebuild. Your decision is all you need. Faith combined with action opens doors. Faith alone is hope, but action gives it life. When you believe without moving, your dream stays still. But when belief fuels your steps, the impossible becomes possible. Faith gives you courage to start, and action gives you strength to continue. Every small step forward is proof of trust in your vision. The moment you act on your faith, opportunities begin to appear. Doors that once seemed locked suddenly swing open. It is not faith or action alone, but the power of both together that creates breakthroughs. Faith moves, action delivers. When you think differently, you become unstoppable. A new mindset creates a new reality. When your thoughts rise above fear, your actions rise above limits. Belief gives power to every step you take.